So drywall is about to start in this garage conversion, and we want to check out the lighting. So I want you to check it out too. Come on, I'll show you what we look for. The reason we check out the electrical before the drywall is because you don't want to cut up your drywall to rearrange your electrical that you thought you had right in the first place. So let's make sure we have it right in the first place. Of course, you see a light here. We already have that out there. When you first come in the house, or when you first come in the garage, you have your switches. This switch is going to switch on a light up here. It's gonna light the main space, and it's gonna be this, a big light. It's gonna hang way up there and give a nice, delicate light down to the living space, which is probably gonna be the bed here and a couch there. There, you'll see a wire going out the back. That's on the back side of the garage for the alleyway. This house is on an alleyway. We don't want a dark alley. You'll also see that yellow line is going out for the mini split that's gonna be put out here. Also, you'll see the white lines that go down the wall. Not that one, but this. They're all tying all your outlets together on the wall. You'll see this mess of wires. These are all going outside to either loop over for lights outside. Right here is our mini breaker box. All the power comes in there from a lead from the house. It breaks it out to do our little mini kitchen with a GFI over here. And in the bathroom, of course, GFI here, right above our vanity. And then we have our fart fan with a light there. And we also have our vanity light that's sticking out right here. When you come in to the bathroom here, I'll come around. I'm gonna come in the bathroom, walking in, this is my bathroom. I'm gonna slide open my pocket door, which slides that way. Oh, right here. You always wanna have your switches in the smartest way that you know to have it, like your first option to click it on. Also, you'll see these two 2x4s here. Well, guess what? Gotta think things out even before the electricians get there. You need to know that your pocket door is here, and it has, trim here, and it also has trim on the outside to make it look like a door. Well, most normally people forget to put this here, and you have your box here, and then you have to notch your trim. People notch the trim, and it just drives me nuts to accept the cover and everything. Just take a couple extra minutes, do it the right way, have it far enough away from your door or your window or everything so it doesn't look like it's being crowded or it's a second thought. Well, it looks like everybody's doing okay, and they've got things spaced in the right place. I just remembered that I have to do fire caulk tomorrow before anybody puts drywall up, so I'll be doing that tonight. So maybe I'll put a headlamp on and you can join me.